So people, we are going to talk about Beenie Man this morning, people, because there's a summons for Beenie Man over alleged illegal party.
Elizabeth, if you know the party they reach, so you know say on New Year's Eve, or you have to ring in the New Year's, and I care who wants it.
Do you want to be that guy? Do you want to be this guy?
People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. So yo people, wagwan, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV, people. I want to say a happy new year to everyone, people, and thank you guys for all the support that you gave me towards the end of 2020, because that's when I actually started this channel, people. And please remember, if you haven't subscribed to this channel already, please go ahead and subscribe, people. I will truly appreciate it. So people, we are going to talk about Beenie Man this morning, people, because there's a summons for Beenie Man over alleged illegal party. People, remember, coronavirus are going, and there has been a lot of restrictions when it comes to the entertainment side of things. No party can go on in Jamaica. Police them and the government nah grant no permits for no party. So majority of the party them move overseas to Miami and Atlanta, people. So as I said before, a summons for Beenie Man over alleged illegal party. And I'm getting this from Loop Jamaica, people. Loop News. It says the St. Elizabeth police say they are in possession of a summons for dancehall entertainer Beenie Man, whose given name is Moses Davis, over an alleged illegal party held in St. Elizabeth in late November. So late November, this happening up, people, and we in the new year now, and I know them will arrest him. I guess I know them get the information and details regarding to that. Goes on to say, head of the St. Elizabeth Police, Deputy Superintendent Narda Sims, made the revelation to the media on Thursday morning. There is a summons in the possession of the police for Moses Davis, otherwise called Beenie Man, for a party held on the 29th of November, she said. In the meantime, the police are also warning the entertainer and promoters to desist from hosting events in breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act, which guide the health protocols that are in place to limit the spread of the COVID-19 on the island. The warning comes on the heels of concern raised by members of the Divisional Intelligence Unit about an event being promoted by Beenie Man to be held in St. Elizabeth between the hours of midnight and 7 a.m. Friday, January 1st, 2021. A video of the entertainer reportedly promoting the event is being widely circulated on social media.
St. Elizabeth, if you know the party they reach, so you know say on New Year's Eve, or you have to ring in the New Year's, and I care who wants it. So if you know where the party there, we have to there, the party name 12 to 7. So we have bonfire, and you know some new, and you know everything good. So, you know, walk with the money. Yeah, if you come and broke, you alone it go sweet. Walk with the money, that we are the.
This event, for which no permit was issued, would clearly be in breach of the DRMA. Hence, this warning is being issued to him not to host any event in St. Elizabeth or anywhere else in Jamaica. Patrons who intend to attend this event are also being warned not to attend, as they too would be in breach and will be prosecuted when caught. Assistant Commissioner of Police in charge of Area 3, Michael Smith, stated in a press release. The police will be exercising vigilance throughout Area 3 to prevent an illegal events in the parishes of St. Elizabeth, Clarendon, and Manchester. So people, what this looks like to me is everybody know how Kingston are going, and all the attention is all on Kingston, where majority of the big events keep, big parties keep, stage show and everything. But it look like them, I think, say them not pay attention too much to the countryside, as them say St. Elizabeth, Clarendon and Manchester, cause them, I think, say at the party central. I don't necessarily come keep some events because police now really pay attention. But as an entertainer and how big Beenie Man is, him draw attention to himself, which resulted in him being wanted and being arrested or is going to be arrested for breaching such an act, people. Yo, people, it does not pay for disobey or go against what the government is trying to put into place and try to implement. Not because you're a big artist. I understand, I go enjoying yourself, but at the same time, if they put certain things into play, just stay in the house and have a little event and or a little gathering or something. But them big events, they will promote. You think the police or the government are going to look for the little promoter who put it on? Are the big artist Beenie Man, are them they're going to come for? And this is a case of that. They might look at Beenie Man hard. And the thing is, people, after him keep a party or host a party down there already, he was going back this New Year's to go host another one. So I guess because it happened so late, November, them say, all right, nothing never come out right, so boom, we are going to do another one. And you see what happened now? Police want him. I know, people. Now, people, this I'm going to bring up the case of should he be wanted by police or should he be arrested by police? Because the other day, them have some people over Lime K and Maiden K or whatever them want to call it. Them have these people over there party, no social distancing, nothing. And they were given warnings. I mean, know for a fact, people, there was people over there who probably have high status in society in Jamaica or is well known, but because it's an uptown thing, them just get warning. But here we have Beenie Man, no, for the ghetto youths them want him, them are gonna lock him up, them are gonna arrest him. It bring up the question as in, why weren't some of those other individuals on that yacht party arrested? Why were they just given a tap on the wrist and say go on in the yard and go enjoy yourself, but don't come back out there? So, hey people, let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this. Do you think Beenie Man should have been arrested or should be arrested for this? Let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this one, people. But as I said, if I get more information, I will let you guys know. So, yo, people, before I go, I just went on Twitter and I saw an updated information on this case. And them say police laid 2 charges on Beenie Man, people. So they have finally charged him. Yes, people, so them say they have finally charged him and he's scheduled to appear in court to face the 2 charges later this month. So charges laid against Beenie Man. Updated information I just got from Nationwide News, people. As I said before, people, just let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this. Alright, much love and appreciation. And please remember to hit the subscribe button, people. Big up in yourself.